Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish, and in the last video we unboxed the iPad mini 6 or the iPad mini 2021, and in this video let's talk about protecting your new iPad. And I have two products here from the same company, ESR, and I'm not affiliated to them in any way or form, but I've had good experience with them in the past, hence I've chosen these two products. So the first item here is the protective tablet case, and we have the tempered glass screen protector as well. So let's keep the case aside for a second and let's apply the screen protector first to give the iPad protection from day one. So the packaging itself is quite simple. Handily, it comes with this mold which can be used to align the screen protector accurately when installing it onto the iPad mini. And as you can see, you've got a couple of cleaning kits. This one here is a twin pack, so you get two screen protectors inside, as you can see. And of course you have the mold itself, which is perfectly shaped for the iPad mini. You also get some instructions in here, and as instructed we will put the iPad here so that it's suspended. So you have all three items here. You have the dust removal sticker, you have the wet wipe and the microfiber cloth. And then we'll use the microfiber cloth to dry off the screen. So we've aligned the frame that will allow us to install the screen protector accurately onto the iPad mini. Let's use the dust removal stickers to get rid of any fine particles. And there you go. So you can see that it's almost a perfect installation using the ESR mold and the screen protector. So now that the front of the iPad is well protected with the ESR screen protector, let's have a look at the magnetic protective tablet case from ESR. And with this kind of a tablet, what you want to do is be able to use it as a tablet. So enjoy the lightweight, enjoy the form factor. For that, it's important to have something that can become a case and a stand, and you can take it off as easily as you put it on. So which is where the magnetic case comes in. So let's have a quick look at the ESR magnetic case. And this is in the gray color. Handily, it comes with its own microfiber cloth for cleaning, and it is protected out here with this little piece of film and another thermocol in there. And it's fairly straightforward to put it in here, and basically the magnets will line up as soon as you put it in there, and once you close it shut, it will be packed like so. So the case is actually slightly longer than the iPad itself, so it will offer some protection, not complete protection, to the sides of the iPad as well. As you can see, the edges are kind of recessed except for the Touch ID button, which is pretty much on the same level as the case, but otherwise it's pretty neat. And this little flap is an additional feature that even the official Apple folio doesn't get, which is to protect your pencil. And I've found it really useful with my iPad Pro 11-inch. So this is the same case in green for the iPad Pro, which I unboxed previously. And as you can see, it completely covers the Apple Pencil and keeps it protected, keeps it from being knocked off when moving about. So the same thing applies to the iPad mini. You can simply put the pencil as you normally would, it will clip on to place, and you can just have the iPad and the pencil kind of protected. Obviously it doesn't cover the whole of it because the flap is much smaller than with the bigger iPad, but still it gives you that confidence that even the official iPad folio does not. So it has some magnets at the back which allow it to stick to the back, and in terms of the angles possible, it's a trifold case, a classic trifold case. And there you go, that's the stand mode, and you also have the easel mode right there. So this is for typing, and you can have it a little bit elevated for drawing, etc. So if you're an artist, or you like to write with your iPad, this is an excellent way to actually have it elevated towards you so you can see what you're doing and easily do your drawing or writing, whatever you require it for. So there you have it. That was the ESR screen protector and magnetic protective case for the iPad mini 6 or the iPad mini 2021. Really good quality and really good value for what it is. So it's highly recommended. If you don't want to spend on the Smart Folio, or like me are unwilling to wait almost 4 weeks for delivery, because if you were to order today you would only get the official Smart Folio in the electric orange color, which looks best with the Starlight iPad mini 6 at the end of October or the first week of November. That's their estimated dates in India. So this is a really good alternative. Its availability across the globe is really nice, and in feel as well, it feels like a premium product. So it does not feel like a cut price product. As you can see, I've been using it on my iPad Pro M1 as well, and feels really nice, holds up really well, gives it that added flexibility. And obviously you have the screen protected when you're using it in tablet mode using the ESR screen protector. And it's easy to install it. You can do it yourself at home, and all you need to do is use the mold and you cannot go wrong with the installation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one.